And that's it. That's perfect.
Woo!
Right, how those biceps
I'm
are
feeling
feeling?
it. I'm feeling it in the arms. I'm feeling it in the arms. It was worth it for this drink. Woo!
Look at that color.
Beautiful. We are back by the bar because this is what you're drinking. And today is all about an earthy cocktail called Flavor in the Bark. So let's get mixing.
So let's get to creating flavor in the back.
What is Flavor in the Bark, my friend?
We'll begin with some fresh chunks of beetroot, boiled beetroot.
Okay, how many?
That's about 4 chunks.
Cool, cool, cool. I want to be accurate, so I'm using exactly 4.
Yeah.
Got to
You just
go?
want a nice undertone of the beetroot, not too much.
Okay.
And beetroot with this vibrant color definitely gonna have a bright pink color, right?
Very good, I like it.
So first, you're gonna add 1 ounce of Demerara syrup.
Okay.
So what do you want to do now? Just give this a nice muddle.
Ah. So I can be the muddler?
If you want a muddle.
I want a muddle. Let's do it. So we just
So you just want to
get it all crushed.
Press the beetroot so that you can release some of those natural juices.
You gotta tell me if I go in good. Y'all think I go in good? I feel like I go in good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
A little thing again.
Nice.
All right, cool.
That's good.
Thank you.
Nice. Next off, 2 ounces of same Mauby extract that we made previously.
Ah, for sure. And that was such a good recipe. Guys, be sure to check out our Mauby recipe. It's in the link in the description bar.
1.5 ounces of lemongrass tea.
Lemongrass tea. This is a lot of flavors going on. We have beets, we have Mauby, we have lemongrass. This is rich. This is earthy.
And nice. That's exactly what I was about to say. 1.5 ounces of white rum.
The best part. The best part. The little zing.
So just using a neutral spirit so that you don't affect the natural flavors that we incorporated there.
Okay. Mr. Mixologist, I feel you.
And you want to take the honors of doing 2 dashes of orange bitters.
I could just, you know.
So there's a technique in dashing bitters.
You want to show me? You do one and then I'll do it. Promise.
All right. So when you're dashing bitters, you want to come all the way up and go right in, right?
Okay.
So that's 1.
Lord have mercy.
2. Can you give it a try?
How we here with the fingers?
All right, yeah. And that's what you want a nice, perfect. And that's it.
Practice, I'll get better, I promise.
So you're just gonna ice this one up and shake away.
Okay.
And just a quick note, if you don't have these traditional shakers at home, you can grab those water bottles, ice up and shake away.
Okay. All in with our ice. Just a quick question.
Yeah?
You said we're gonna shake. Who's gonna be doing the shaking? Is it me?
I mean, there's only one lady in the video. So
Come on, I'm a professional shaker.
One gorgeous lady, so you should shake the cocktail.
What? Stop.
So you wanna get a nice rugged shake because what
Rugged?
happens? Yeah, rough shake.
Okay.
Because what happens? Mauby has a natural elements in there that will give you this nice froth or head on top of your drink.
Right. So I just
Well,
a little more.
put some muscle into it.
Everything I have in all it. Everything I have.
And that's it. That's perfect.
Woo!
Right, how those biceps
I'm
are
feeling
feeling?
it. I'm feeling it in the arms. I'm feeling it in the arms. It was worth it for this drink. Woo!
Look at that color.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So just set this aside.
Sure.
And we need to ice our glasses.
Alrighty. Got our pretty glass.
So nice tiki style.
And I get in that smell of that lemongrass coming through just from this right here.
So you just want to pour all of that beauty right in there.
So we know how to hold this one. We put the finger here or something like that, right?
So
Show me again because, you know, I
you're
forget.
right-hander, right?
I'm a lefty, you know.
You're lefty?
I'm a lefty.
Oh, you're unique.
I am. I'm special.
All right, so I'll demonstrate for the lefties.
Thank you.
So you just want to hold it as if you're going to drink from
Yeah.
it. However, you're taking your index finger
Right.
and place it here.
Okay.
Reason for that is that you can adjust the hawthorn strainer so that if you're getting too much liquid or too
Yeah.
little, you
Yeah.
can adjust.
Okay.
Right?
So for the lefties at home, we holding it. We've got it here. We can move the thingy thing. What do you call this? The hawthorn strainer?
Hawthorn strainer.
The hawthorn strainer. And I just pour straight in the middle?
Yeah, for sure.
All right. So pretty. Love, love, love this color. That's good there?
Go right up.
Straight up? You looking for me to spill?
That's it.
Alrighty.
That's never a bad thing.
This is gorgeous. This is my color cocktail in
So
it.
now, we're just gonna put some lemongrass garnish right in there.
Okay, excuse us. Some lemongrass garnish, guys.
Nice little bouquet. 1 bay leaf.
Mm-hmm. Fancy Nancy.
And 1 lime wedge. So it's optional if you wanna squeeze it or
Or just rest it there for the prettiness.
yeah.
We are here for the beauty of this drink today. We're here for the
There you
beauty. Love.
Can you wanna grab a straw?
Absolutely, because this shows me to taste.
To show.
As the official taste tester here at Foodie Nation, guys. Cheers. Ooh.
It's the color. Color is amazing.
I want to
Flavor.
be really honest. You get every note of this cocktail. First beetroot, then lemongrass, and that last finishing taste is the Mauby. Definitely worth a try. If you are a Mauby lover like us, you have to try this cocktail and tell us for sure. Thank you so much, Neil. It's been a pleasure as always. What are we gonna do next? You come back to teach me something else?
Sure, anytime.
Please, thanks.
I'm just a phone call away.
Excellent, guys. So be sure, of course, to check out Neil and the entire team at Viv Creations on Instagram. And, of course, like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.